Hello, in this Kotlin programming video, we are going to look at the do-while loop. So the do-while loop is an extension of the regular while loop. So if you're not familiar with that, I recommend taking a look at that video. Once you're done with that, welcome back. We can look at the do-while loop. So the while loop only gets run if this condition here is, true. Whereas the do-while loop, the format is, so if I put do, and we'll put curly braces, and at the end you put while, and you put the condition in here. So if I put the condition on, same condition, x is less than or equal to 100, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a little print line here. So print line, and I'm going to say while loop. Then I'm going to do another print line, and this is going to say, I think you've guessed it, do while loop. So we just know exactly what is happening, and I'm also going to change this to just 10. The only reason I'm doing that is because, trying to scroll through a lot of numbers like this can get a bit tedious. And I'm also going to copy and paste this. So the code inside will be the same. I just want to demonstrate the difference between these two. So if we run it, see what we get. If you scroll up, we get 0, 1, 2. One second, I want to do one other thing. I want to reset x to 0 as well. So x equals 0. So, it's in the same state for both loops. If we scroll up, we get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 10. Then we get the do loop, 0, 1, 2, 3, all the way to 10. So you might be thinking, so far there's no difference. And you're right, there isn't. The crucial difference between a while loop and a do while loop is a while loop is only run if this condition is true. A do while loop, because the condition actually gets checked at the end, will get run at least once, and then the condition is checked. And if the condition is true, you'll get run again and run again till the condition is false. But if it gets run once and the condition is false, it won't get run again any more times, but it's already been run once. To demonstrate it, I'm going to set this number to 100. 100 is not less than or equal to 10. And that's the same condition we got here. But watch what happens is very interesting. And you can... I meant to change this back as well. I meant to change both of them to 100. Okay. So the while loop never gets run because none of this is printed out. But the do while loop, it hits the do while, it prints it out once, and x is technically 101 after this because it's been incremented. So it says, is 101 less than or equal to 10? No, it isn't. So it doesn't run it again. So that's the difference between a while loop and a do while loop. While loop only gets run if the condition is true. Do while loop gets run once. The condition is then checked. If it's not true, it doesn't get run any more times, but it's already been run once. A use case for this could be user input. You might want to get some user input, and then you want to check something. Maybe you want to check the length of the input, and maybe it's a username, and it can't be longer than 64 characters, for example. And if it is longer than 64, you want to do the loop again and get input again, so valid input. But if the input is valid, you only want to get it once. That's a very good use case of using the do while loop over the while loop. So that's it for the do while loop. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. I've just realized I've said like do while loop about 1 billion times in this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.